Just a little bit of news for you. We've got another world first in Australia. Yesterday I read an article that was about Wing drone delivery service actually getting approved in Australia for commercial operation. So CASA, the Civil Aeronautics Safety Administration, has approved their operation, and after their 1 year trial in Canberra last year, they delivered 3,000 successful parcels of either medication, food or coffee. Now, this trial was running through Canberra and select suburbs to select houses, and all went off without a hitch. Now, Wing, which is an alphabet company, which is also the parent of Google, believes that this trial and its commercial operation that's coming up will deliver $30 to $40 million of extra revenue to these local businesses. And in providing that, it provides these businesses a new way to get their products within their customers' hands in minutes. So imagine doing an order for a coffee from your house off your phone. The person will load up the coffee onto the drone, it'll come to your house while it's still steaming warm. What a world we live in. So if you are a business that's operating in one of these areas in Canberra, or you know someone that's got a business in one of these areas, I urge you to get them to contact Wing and get involved at this early stage, because things like this don't come around often. And for these businesses, what an amazing marketing opportunity to start promoting that they've got drone delivery, using it everywhere and telling everyone about it.